divisibility rule. Yes, if I'm going to look into divisibility rule, first we'll be moving on with one digit position. Okay, first I'll be moving out with one digit. So if I want to say whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, how we are going to say that? If the number is even, I can say it is divisible by 2, or else it is not divisible. Getting it? I'll give out a very simple example. 476, is it divisible by 2? Yes. 345, is it divisible by 2? No. Make a note of each and everything. Okay, this is about divisibility of 2. Next, let's move on to divisibility of 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. Okay. Yes. Now I'll update one more thing in this. Yes. Okay. I'll add one more trick to it so that it will be very easy. Okay. 7 4 5 2 3 8 1. Is it divisible by 3? Can I say that you guys have done this one? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 8 is 29. Plus 1 gives 30. Yes, 30 is divisible by 3. That's why you have taken it as divisible by 3. Yes or no? Right? You guys have done this one. You have added all those things. You have done this one, right? 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 1, which is equals to 30. Yes, of course, 30 is divisible by 3. Then yes, it is the answer. I hope you guys have done this. Yes, now look here. I'll be letting you know a short update and it will save a lot of your time. Yes, look here how I'm going to do this. Instead of adding all those things and dividing it by 3, what I will do it, I'll cancel out all the multiples of 3. Now look here, 3 is cancelled. I'll not add this. Any other multiples of 3 is there? No. If multiples of 3 is not there, then I'll check out for the sum of the multiples, then I'll eliminate. 8 plus 1, 9. Eliminate. 4 plus 2, 6. Eliminate. What is left out? 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? It is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, the answer is divisible by 3. Now, which one is easier? Adding all those things and getting bigger number, or eliminating and getting smaller number? Which one is easier? Elimination will be easier. Getting it? So please make a note of this point. You might have not studied this. Okay, wherever it might be, you might have not studied this. I'll be updating each and every trick, guys. Okay, so you might be learning new things, or the things which you might have not even heard about it. So please understand. Yes, I'll take out one more example. 3 2 4 7 8 6 1 9. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Check it out. 3 6 9 eliminate. 8 and 1 eliminate. 2 and 4 eliminate. Remainder is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. Yes. How fast it is. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay, now I'll move on to the next one. Divisibility by 4. Yes, how we are going to check the divisibility of 4? We are going to check out last 2 digit. Okay. Yes, I have one more trick. There are 2 possibilities for last 2 digit. That is nothing but tens digit position and units digit position, right? There are only 2 numbers possible if I want to check for divisibility of 4. Now, what are the possibilities in tens digit position? Odd, odd, even, even. If it is odd, this is even. If this is odd, this is odd. If this is even, this is even. And if this is even, this is odd, right? Now, if I'm going to please look into this, I can say ending with odd number is never divisible by 2, or divisible by 2 or divisible by 4, right? Can I eliminate those things? If the number ends with an odd number, those numbers are not divisible by 4. Now what I'll do is, now I can say there are only 2 possibilities. The ending number should be even. The tens digit position is odd or even, right? Yes, if you're going to look into this, please look into this. If the tens digit position is odd, any odd number, then this unit digit position should be multiple of 2. Multiple of 2, but not 4. But not 4. Getting it? It should be a multiple of 2, but not 4. Next, if this is even number, even number, it should be a multiple of 4. That's all. Multiple of 4. This is what you need to understand. Now I can say that if I want to say this, I can say that I can directly take out this number, which is non-multiple of 4, because the number is of course even, non-multiple of 4. So this is a very simple. If the tens digit position is odd, you have to check for non-multiple of 4. If the tens digit position is even, then you have to check for the multiple of 4. Take any number. First condition is it should be even. If I'm going to see 12, yes, odd number, is it divisible by 4? No. Then I can say it is multiple of 4. Getting it? This is an odd number, but this number should not, if it is an odd number, this should not be multiple of 4. Yes, it's not a multiple of 4. Then I can say yes, it is divisible. If I'm going to take out 24, this is an even number, and yes, it is a multiple of 4. Yes, it is a multiple of 4. You're getting it? Instead
Sir.
of checking out the last two digit, I'm checking out only the position of the last digit. That is getting more simple, right? Let's take any example. 94. This is the odd number. It should not be multiple, but it is a multiple. Then I can say this is not a multiple of 4, because this is not satisfying. Okay. Next, I'll take out 62. 6 is a even number. 6 is a even number, but this should be a multiple of 4, but it is not satisfying. So this is also not the multiple of 4. You're getting it? Please make a note of this. Yes, let's move on to the next one. Divisibility of 5. Now, how we are going to check for the divisibility of 5? It's a very easy thing. How we are going to check the divisibility of 5? Ends with 5 or 0, then I can directly say it is divisible by 5. Okay, fine. What about 6? What about 6? How we are going to check the divisibility of 6? Now look here, till here, whatever the numbers we have discussed, 2, 3, 5, all the things are, please understand, all the things are prime number, but 4 is the powers of 2. That's why we are taking the 2 digit. Other than this, we have powers of 2, and other than that, we will be having composite numbers. Now this 6 is a composite number. When you are going to take out 6 as this one, you have to look for the co-prime numbers. You have to check for the divisibility of 2 and 3. Okay, if the number is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 3, then you can say that the number is divisible by 6. You're getting it? Because 2 and 3 are co-prime. It means that there are no common factors between 2 and 3. Or I can say HCF of 2 and 3 should be 1. Co-prime in the sense, if two numbers are co-prime, it means their HCF or their common factor is 1. Other than that, it should not have any common factor. Yes, I'll take out an example here. 476. Check whether it is divisible by 6 or not. Divisible by 6. First, you have to go with 2. Next, you have to go with 3. Yes, it is divisible by 2 because it's an even number. 3. Eliminate this. 7 plus 4 is 11. Not divisible. Then I can say it is not divisible by 6. Similarly, I'll give one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check whether it is divisible by 6 or not. Now we have to check for 2 and 3. Yes, of course, it is divisible by 2 because last number, and divisible by 6. That is nothing but we have to check for divisibility of 3. 3 is gone, 6 is gone, 1 and 2 is gone, 4 and 5, 9. Yes, it is divisible. I hope it is clear. Now look here. That divisibility of 3 is making the problems to solve faster again. Next one. What about 7? Yes, what about 7? Okay, please make a note of this one. Okay, please check it out. Divisibility of 7. Now what you have to do is, please make a note of the steps here. Take out the last digit, multiply by 2. Last digit multiplied by 2, and okay, I can say remove the last digit, multiply by 2. The next step is subtract with remaining. Subtract with remaining. I can say third step, Repeat step 1 and 2. Yes, I'll take any number here. Yes, 3563. Now we have to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, one thing is that you can keep on going out with this, remove the last digit, multiply it by 2. 3 2 times is what? 6. Subtract with the remaining. Now what is left out here? 350. Now if you are going to have 0 or non-zero, you can just eliminate it. Okay. Next is 5. 5 2 times is how much? 10. Subtract with this. 3 minus 10 gives minus 7. Yes, it is divisible. You can stop at this point. You can stop at the previous point. You can stop wherever you want, wherever you got to know that number is divisible. You're getting it? We got to know 7 5 times is 35. I can directly say it is divisible, right? Either you can check with this one, 3563. That is nothing but 7 5 times, and we have 0 7 9 times. Yes, it is divisible. There's no remainder, guys. Yes, it is divisible. You can go with this or the actual process. That is nothing but by using a multiplication factor. Is it clear? Please make a note of this. I'll give one more example. 2 6 5 4 9. Look here. 9 2 times 18. I'll subtract 18 from this. Okay, I have already told how I'm going to take it. Next, 54 minus 18. 54 minus 14 gives 40. So it will be yes, it will be 36. So 2636. I'll be again removing 6, subtracting 12 here. 6 2 times is 12. Now I can say that it is 1 and 5, 251. I'll be removing 1 again. 1 2 times is 2. Minus 2 gives 23. I can say 23 is not divisible by 7. So the whole number is not divisible by 7. You're getting it? Because 7 3 times 21. So 23 is not divisible. Of course, the whole number 26549 is not divisible by 7. Is it clear? One more example, then we'll proceed. Yes, the next number is 25299. Check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Remove it, multiply by 2, minus 18. So I can say the number is 2511. Remove 1 again, multiply by 2. So 251 minus 2 gives 249. Again, remove 9. You will get it as minus 18. 24 minus 18 gives 6. 6 is not divisible. So the whole number is not divisible by 7. Okay, next I'll move on to divisibility of 8. Yes, how are you going to check it out? Divisibility of 8. Last 3 digits. Now, how we are going to tackle that last 3 digits? Yes, if I'm going to say last 3 digits, then I can say 16 is last 4 digits. Then it will keep on going out to a bigger number. Keep on going out to a bigger number. So you should not only depend on only one trick. Okay, you should be knowing other tricks also. Yes, instead of going out with last 3 digit, I'll go with a similar thing what I have done for multiple of 4. So here also I'll split in 2 parts. One is a hundreds position and other one is a tens and a units position. Okay, there are 2 possibilities for 100 position. That is nothing but odd number and an even number. Getting it? Now, with respect to this tens position, odd number, not multiple of 8 here. You getting it? Not multiple of 8. Even number, multiple of 8. Getting it? Now the number is getting little bit simple. Okay, I'll take out very simple example. I'll check out with 176 whether it is divisible by 8 or not. It's an odd number. Then what I have to check? I have to check whether 76 is not a multiple of 8 or not. Okay, at the same time, please look into this. Not a multiple of 8 in the sense, it should be a multiple of 4 also. Okay, multiple of 4. You cannot take any odd number or you cannot take any non-multiple of 4. It should be multiple of 4. Yes, check out whether it is multiple by 4. 4 19 times. Is it multiple by 8? No. Then I can say, yes, it is divisible. Yes, of course, you have to check last 3 digits. That's what I'm doing here. But I'm applying a trick for that last 3 digits also. One more example. Okay, I'll take out 654. Okay, now look here, checking out this big number is very difficult, right? Checking out 654. So what I'll do, I can go out with this. 6 is an even number. Check whether 54 is multiple of 8 or not. 54 is a multiple of 8? No, right? Then I can say it is not divisible. You're getting it? This is a trick. You can use it to check for the last three digits. Please understand, I'm not only going to tell out one way or the most used one. No, we are going to update it. Now, if you want to go out with a number which is similar to 3, 3 was very easy, right? Taking the sum of the digits and cancelling out the multiples of 3. You are doing that, right? Now, I will let you know one trick which is similar to 3 that can be applied for 4 and 8. You will not believe this, okay? You will not believe this. Please look into this. If I'm going to take out any number that is nothing but 76, what you do is take out 6, last number, plus 2 times of this one. What is this? 14. What is 14 plus 6? 20 is divisible by 4. Yes, the number is divisible by 4 then. You're getting it? This multiplied by 1, this multiplied by 2. Any number you can take, if it is possible, that will be divisible, or else it will not be divisible. I can take out 12. That is nothing but 2 plus 1 2 times is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. This is for divisibility of 4. Please make a note of this. What is the general case? I need to take out two digits, that is nothing but A and B in reverse order. Okay. What I have to take is B into 2 plus A into 1. If it is divisible, then it is divisible by 4. Similarly, I'll take out for divisibility of 8. Please make a note of this. You will be learning this for the first time. A, B, C. Now you have to check for last three digits, right? Now I'm converting this into this format. That's nothing but same thing. C into 4 plus B into 2 plus A into 1. Last number multiply by 1 or keep it as it is. Second number you have to multiply by 2 and third number you have to multiply by 4. Check, add it and apply the same this divisibility of 3 rule. Okay, I'll take out some example. 256. 6 plus 5 2 times 10. 2 4 times 8. Now look here, 8 is divisible. I'll cancel out. This is how I'm checking for divisibility of 3 also, right? 8 is divisible by 8. Cancel out. 10 plus 6 16. It is divisible. I can say 256 is divisible. Isn't it faster now? I can say that you have never seen this technique anywhere. I'll take out 184. 4. 8 2 times is 16. And the next number should be multiplied by 4, right? 8 is multiple of 16 is divisible by 8. I'll cancel out. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes, I can say 184 is divisible. Getting it? I'll take out 122. 2 1 times, 2 2 times 4, 1 4 times. 4 plus 4 is divisible. 2 is remainder. 2 is not divisible. Then I can say 122 is not divisible by 8. 122 is not divisible by 8. Similarly, if you want, you can check out with divisibility of 4 also. Next is checking for the divisibility of 9. Okay, please look into this. Okay, divisibility of 9. Yes, if you want to check out the divisibility of 9, I can use the same multiple of 3 rule. That is nothing but sum of digits divisible by 9. Yes, when I'm talking about the sum of digits divisible, what do? You need not take the sum. You can just cancel out, like how you have done for 3, how you have done for 4, and how you have done for 8. Yes, sum of the digits divisible by 9. Yes, very good. Yes, I'll take out 3, 7, 6, 4, 2, 8, 5. Check out whether it's divisible by 9 or not. Okay, what I have told, instead of adding, cancel out the multiples of 9. 3 and 6 is done. 5 and 4 is 9. 7 and 2 is 9. What is left out? 8. Is it divisible? Not divisible by 9. It is not divisible. 6, 3, 1, 8, 5, 2, and another number 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. Yes, I'll take out the example 631,852 and 724,569. Yes, 6 and 3 is divisible by 9, 8 and 1 is divisible by 9, 5 and 2 is 7, not divisible. 7 and 2 divisible by 9, 4 and 5 is divisible by 9, 9 is divisible by 9, 6 is not divisible. Is it clear? So if you're going to get a number which is divisible by 9, then the remainder should not be any other number other than 9. If it is 0 or 9, yes, we can take it. I hope it is clear, guys. Okay, these are the divisibility rule for one digit numbers. Okay, we have taken from 1 to 9. What about the other numbers? So you will be getting out some other composite numbers like 12. So when you're going to get any composite number, you have to check for the co-prime. You should not take 2 and 6. It is not possible. You have to take out 3 and 4 because 2 and 6 has a common number 2 in it. So you should not take it because 2 1 times, 2 3 times. It is, you should not take it. So you have to take out 3 and 4 where we don't have any common numbers. You have to check for 3 divisibility and you have to check for 4 divisibility. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, last one more thing I'll take out. Divisibility by 11. I'll finish it off here itself. Divisibility of 11. So what you have to do is sum of odd digits position. Okay. It's not the number, odd digits position minus sum of even digit position. Even digit position. Yes, I'll take out one example. So this should be divisible by 11. Okay, this should be divisible by 11. This I'll take out 3, 4, 2, 8, 6, 5. Okay, odd digit positions. So 3 plus 2 plus 6, 4 plus 8 plus 5. Check out the number. 3 plus 2 plus 6 is nothing but 11 minus 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 11 minus 17 gives 6. It's just a difference. Okay, you can take out plus or minus or whatever thing. Now if you get the number, it is in the multiple of 0 or 11, then it is divisible. Then I can say it is not divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 11. Is it clear? 631852. Okay, 6 plus 1 plus 5, that is nothing but 12 minus 3 plus 8 plus 2, it is 11 and 1 is 13. So I can say difference is 1. It is not divisible. The difference should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Getting it? I'll take out one example, 1331. Now look here, 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. I can say it is 4 minus 4. What is it? It is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.